Hey, how you doing? It's Martin for theblueslab.com. Thanks to be here. Today, I would like to share with you this idea of cage system and major pentatonic scales, which are really related because the major pentatonic scale comes from the major scale. The good news about this is in the cage system we have 5 chords, major shape chords, which is C with the C shape, C with the A shape, which is the second shape, C with the G shape, the third shape, the fourth is C with the E shape, and the last one is C with the D shape. All these are C chords, C major chords using 5 shapes, and when we play pentatonic scale we have 5 boxes, so it's pretty easy to overlap each one of the 5 boxes of the pentatonic scale over the 5 shapes. So let's go for it. Before, I would like to share with you my Patreon page, a lot of lessons, PDF files, backing tracks, licks, full solos divided by licks, so you can improve and learn blues vocabulary. Yes, pretty easy. I use sound slides because it's a great app for transcription, and you can slow down the tempo, you can just make loops, and you can see the fretboard also, a really nice tool. You can see the fretboard and every note I play. You can see it on the tabs and also on the fretboard and also on the video I am playing. Yes, visit my Patreon, take a look, and improve your blues skills and vocabulary. So we have the C chord, the shape which is related to this C shape chord, the pentatonic scale which is related, is this shape. Yes, as you can see, the goal of this overlapping, it's when you play the scale, you need to see the chord shape at the same time. When you play the scale, it's related, it's going to be easier. That's the idea of the cage system, visualizing the chord shape and the scale you are using at the same time. It's not chord and shape, it's the same. So C, E, and G. That's my C chord, my triad. And I add my C high C again here, Next shape is the A major shape, but with the root on my C. So what is the shape that is related to this chord? Well, it's this one. My root, my root again. With my C. The idea is to practice this enough until you don't think about overlapping. You see the shape of the chord and you just play the box. Yes. So my suggestion is to sit down and spend some days or weeks just practicing one by one the box. Play the chord and you play the shape and you identify where the root is. Then if you play the same shape here, for example, E, well, you know, you don't need to think about that, you just play the shape, yeah? Next one is my G shape, yeah, which is like that, yeah? You see my G, major G here? Well, I can put the bar here, so, because when we play the G, there's a bar here, yeah? We don't play it because we have the nut here, but it's there, you know, so when I play my C, and the shape which is related, my root, why my root? Well, you can see the C here, yeah? Next one, E major shape. It's a C chord played using the E major shape, and the box which is related here. That's all major pentatonic scale over this shape. I play the chromatics in between, but yeah. And the last one, that's my fourth, the last one. This is the shape. That's my root. That's my root. Yeah, of course. C and C, yeah. That's my shape. So this it's a great system, you know. A lot of great players they use because this system, because you can identify super fast the scale you need. That means if we play C, I could use the scale that fits. For F, I could use the scale that fits over this shape. And for G, I could use the scale that fits in that shape. So you are following the chord changes, yeah? You are playing one scale for each chord. So then if you want to move forward and start following the chord changes with pentatonic scale, what you can do is, okay, let's say I play C major and D minor. Yeah? C major, this is over this shape, this is the shape related. And D minor, over this shape, this is my shape related. So I will just follow these two chords with these two scales, yeah? Let's go, 3, 4. Do it simple like this. I'm not playing complicated things. I'm just following easy. And then when you feel comfortable with these two, you can add a third chord. Could be I don't know, an F major, yes. It could be 1, 2, 5, a G. Yeah, it could be. Let's try. even if there's no chords. Yeah, look this. Yes, C, D, G. Yes. So you have more information about this on my Patreon. I will put PDF files about the overlapping this, and I will put more examples. Yes. Thank you very much, and hope you like this lesson. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.